help you. I got exposed to new age technologies like AI and big data.
So welcome to SAKALAVIDYA educational channel. We have been discussing POLYCET Andhra Pradesh examination previous question paper. Already we have discussed up to 30 questions. Now the 31st question onwards. So we shall have a discussion today. So good morning all once again. Anush Nayak and also Manikanta, welcome you back to my classes. Okay. So now without wasting our time, let us directly go to the 31st problem. So let us discuss 31st problem now. So let's have a discussion on 31st problem. 31st problem. Right. So this is the problem, 31st problem. This problem is from Statistics chapter. Right. So let me read the question first. If the mean of the following data is k, where k is positive, then the value of k we need to find out. Here table is given, marks and also frequency. Here k, 4, k, 8, 3. This is actually k, this will be 4, this will be k, this will be 8, 3, this is k, this is 2k, 3k, 4k and 5k. Here k is positive greater than 0, then we need to find out the k value. So mean equals to, here mean equals to k given. So Jannavi, welcome. So first how to find out? This is actually, see, generally this is called xi, this is frequency fi. So mean formula we have xi, x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay. So EAMCET classes already started. Now recorded videos are there, you can watch. So total chapter is there. Actually total in the during COVID time I have completed more than 300 hours. So that is available. So you can watch through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right. So now sigma fi xi, here x bar is equal to k, so that we can find out like this now. So mean k equals to fi xi, k into k, that is k square, 4 into 2k, that is 8k, plus k into 3k, that is 3k square, plus 8 into 4k, 32k, plus 3 into 5k, 15k, divided by, so sum of these frequencies, k plus 2k, 3k, 6k, 10k, 15k. Am I right now? Just we need to simplify this one. Right. So cross multiplication takes place. So we get here 15k into k, 15k square. Right. So now we have here k square, 3k square. That will be 4k square. Now 8k, 32k, 15k, that is 32k plus 8k, 40, 40 plus 15, 55. So plus 55k. Clear? So now bring 4k square this side. That will be 15k square minus 4k square, that is 11k square minus 55k equals to 0. So we get a quadratic equation in k. So let us take 11k common. So if you take 11k common, we have k minus 5 is equal to 0. Since k is greater than 0, this is very important factor. Conditions are very important while solving the problems. My dear students, please try to concentrate on the given conditions in the problem. So that plays major role. K greater than 0 means k never be equal to 0. So that means actually since k does not equal to 0, k minus 5 must be 0. So k minus 5 is equal to 0 means k is equal to 5. So our answer is 5. So that means third option is the right option. This fourth option is incorrect. So third option is the right option. Yes, Manikanta, absolutely correct. Your answer is yes. So let us move to 32nd problem. 32nd problem. 30-second problem, right? 30-second problem. So let us write. Let me read the question. If a data has 25 observations arranged in ascending order, then which of the following observations represent the median? So what is the median? So median means that is actually positional measure. The positional measure is called median. Median is also called middlemost value in the given observations. There are 25 observations, and also that means, so we can follow like this. Let us say n is equal to number of observations, that is 25. This 25 is, we need to check whether it is a even or odd. It's absolutely odd. So when it is odd, it has only one middlemost term, that's median. Position of median is equal to, so median position. So position of the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. So now, so what we need to do it now, in the place of n substitute 25. So 25 plus 1, 26 by 2, that is 13th. So 13th position or 13th term or 13th observation is the median. So that means second option is the right option. So just we need to find out the position itself only. Yes, 13th observation, right? 25 plus 1 by 2, 13. Absolutely correct, Manikanta. Yes, 13th observation. Ganesh Palakollu. Yes, right. So let us move to 33rd problem. 33rd problem. So 33rd problem. Right, let us magnify this one. I hope it's very clear to you. Now, are you able to just see the right? Enough, Jannavi, better you go through other textbooks also, your college material also, besides my classes, then so that follow some, apply some, write some mock test also, right? See, if the mode and median of the frequency distribution are 5, 10 respectively, then the mean we need to find out. So here see what is given, mode of a frequency distribution, that is 5. So next, median given. What is the median? Yes, 10. So now we need to find out the mean. So that means if the mode and median of the given data are frequency distribution, so given, then we need to find out the mean. So how to find out the mean? So any formula do we have here now? So that formula is called empirical formula. So mode is equal to, we can write mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is the empirical formula. This is called empirical formula. So okay, this is the actually relation, we can say that, say that relation also. So this is the relation between mean, mode, median. So clear? Empirical formula. Yes, empirical formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So let us substitute the values. So 3 times median is equal to 10 minus 2 times. So mean we do not know. So mean 2 times mean, whereas mode is equal to 5. So it's an equation. We need to solve it. So transpose minus 2 mean this side. So that means 5 is equal to, we can write 3 into 10, 30 minus 2 mean. Okay. Now the 2 mean equals to, so transposing 5 this side, you get negative sign, 30 minus 5. So this 2 mean equals to 25. So mean is equal to, obviously you know, 25 by 2, half of 25. That is 12.5. 12.5 is our answer. So that means third option is the right option. Yes, option 3 absolutely correct. But my dear students, you need to remember this relation is very, very important. So this relation you need to remember, very, very important result. This is the relation between mean, mode and median. I hope it's very clear to you. Let us move to 34th question. 34th question, right. 34th question. 34th question. Right. So this is the 34th question. So this is actually concept based question. Also statistics. This question is from statistics chapter. Which of the following cannot be determined graphically? So for actually we have central tendency, mean, mode, median. Okay, these are called central tendencies. So of all central tendencies, mode graphically we can find out, graph by means of graph we can find out, even median also by means of graph, but mean is not. That means which of the following cannot be determined graphically means mean, whereas median we can find out by drawing the ogive curves, mode also by histogram like that. So that means here first option is the right option. Mean cannot be determined graphically. You remember, mean cannot be determined graphically. So you remember this statement. This is very, very important statement. You need to remember. Right. Option A. 35th question. Let us move to 35th question. Right. 35th question. Right. So first let me read the question carefully, then let us try to solve this question now. The mode of the data 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 6, 10, 6, 7, 2k plus 1, 9, 7, 13 is 7. So that means mode of the data is 7 given. Then value of k we need to find out. Because see, 7 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3 times repeated. 6 how many times repeated? 3 times repeated. So that's why to get mode 7 and one more time it has to be repeated. So one more time it has to be repeated. So that means this 2k plus 1 must be equal to 7 itself only. So 2k plus 1 must be equal to 7. So 2k equals to 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. Obviously k equals to 6 upon 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So this is equal to 3. So the value of k is equal to 3. Right? The second option is the right option. Sir, your classes are very useful. No one spend time like you, sir, and it's a free service. Please use your classes. Thank you, Manikanta. So thank you for your compliment. Yes, actually we offer free service itself only. We don't charge anything. Never also, in further also, in future also. Yes, absolutely correct. 2k plus 1. Because already 6 is repeated for 3 times, 7 is repeated 3 times means in order to be mode to be 7, once again it must be more than 3 times. That means at least 4 or 5 times. So the 2k plus 1 obviously must be equal to 7 itself only. So by solving this linear equation, we get the k value. That is our value. Right. So 35th question has been completed. Now let us move to 36th question. 36th question. So let us move to the 36th question. 36th question. So 1 minute. 36th question. Right. So this is the 36th question. Let me read the question. Which of the following rational numbers has terminating decimal expansion? So terminating, oh very good Manikanta. Because of our classes you got central COVID job. I know. You got selected for even that is Sainik school. Once again we extend congratulations from our SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel, Mr. Manikanta. Right. See, for example, if the rational number is in the form of p by q, so where q does not equal to 0, if q is in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m, then p by q has terminating decimal expansion. This is the technique need to be followed. Decimal expansion. So that means this problem can be solved using fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic means now here 40, you just take the 40. This 40 we can write 10 into 4 times. This we can write 2 times 5 times 2 square. So this we can write 2 square into 5 power 1. As this denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m, absolutely this 7 by 40 has a terminating decimal expansion. So first of 7 by 40 is has terminating decimal expansion. Right. So absolutely correct. First option is the right option. So 37th question. Let us move to 37th question. 37th question. Right. So this is the actually concept based question. This is also. Let me read the question. Which of the following is not an irrational number? So that means, my dear students, you remember root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Suppose root 4 is there. Root 4 is equal to, we can have root of 2 into 2, whose value is 2. This 2 we can write 2 by 1 form p by q, which is a rational number. Not a irrational number means it is not a irrational number. So third option is the right option. It is irrational. It is actually, it belongs to yes. It belongs to S. But it does not belongs to irrational. Root 4 belongs to rational. So our answer is third option is the right option. Right. So let us move to 38th question. Right, 38th question. It's very interesting question. This is also one more. So let us wait for a while. Right, let me check. Right. So this is actually most of the time this question was repeated in different competitive entrance examination. The same question may appear in coming examinations also. Manikanta, you are doing wonderful job. If p and q are two positive integers, p is equal to what is given? P is equal to a cube times b square, and q is expressed as a power 1 into b cube. A comma b are prime numbers. That means p has written as a product of the primes. Q is also written in as a product of the primes itself only expressed. Then what we are asked? SCF we are asked. So SCF of this p comma q we are asked. So that means how to find out now here? So that means here common factors a and a, we have a power 1, a power 3. Then the a power of least power you need to take is b. Here common factor b cube. Here least power is b square. So that means actually here a power 1 into b square. So that we can write ab square is our answer. AB square. So second option is the right option. HCF, not LCM. Yes, absolutely correct. Option 2 is the right option. Manikanta, you are absolutely correct. Wonderful job you are doing. Right. So next question is also a very interesting question that's based on fundamental theorem of arithmetic only. So right. So let me check the question. See, 39. the sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 196. So my dear students, it's a very basic question. So it is also based on fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So in order to solve this problem, first of all, we need to express 196 as the product of primes, which is called prime factorization. So first 196, let us start like this. So 196 is divisible by 2. 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja, 18, 2 8 ja. Next 2 49 ja. Next 7 7 ja. So that means this 196 can be expressed as 2 into 2, that is 2 square, 7 into 7, 7 square. So now here, my dear student, check 2 is the prime number, 7 is the prime number. Here exponents of the prime factors, exponents 2 and 2. So what we are asked is sum of the exponents. Sum of the exponents. So sum of the exponents is equal to, sum of the exponents is equal to, here 2 power, what is the 2 power? 2 plus what is the 7 power? 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Obviously our answer is 4. Is it clear? I hope it's very clear to you. Yes. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Yes, answer is 4. Absolutely correct. I hope it's very clear to you. Am I audible? Yes or no? So next let us move to question number 40. Question number 40. Right. Question number 40. It is also concept based question. So that means concepts are very, very important, my dear students. Please go through the textbook page by page. So SCRT textbook, follow better NCRT or SCRT textbook. The most of the questions will be given based on concept itself only. See, according to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, P is a prime number and it divides A square where A is a positive number. Then, so we have one theorem. So let me write that theorem. If P divides, P is a prime number, divides A square, then obviously P also divides A. So this theorem you need to remember. See, if P divides A square, P also divides A. So P also divides A means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Yes, absolutely correct. So my dear students, next let us move to at another question now. Right, wait. So I will turn the pages so that we'll go by 41st question. What is the 41st question? It's very interesting question. This is also. So you need to enjoy the mathematics. That's very important, my dear students. Right. 41st question. This comes under communication. So good morning, very good morning, very good morning, very good morning. Right. So let me read the question. If log of A by B, oh very good, plus log of B by A equal to log of A plus B. So I request all of you, I have been actually conducting these classes for 5 years. So please suggest my videos to others also, because they will get benefit in different entrance examinations. Mankanta, absolutely correct your answer. Right. So we have one formula in logarithms. What is the formula? We have very simple formula. Log x plus log y is there. So this can be written as log of xy. Or log of xy can be rewritten as log x plus log y also. Yes. So now the solution becomes like this. This log of A by B plus log of B by A we can write like this. Log of A by B multiplied with B by A. A by B is the reciprocal of B by A. B by A is the reciprocal of A by B. is equal to log of a plus b. So very simple. Now here a will cancel, b will cancel out. We have like this. Log of a plus b is equal to, we have log 1. So now here see, my dear students, this a plus b obviously equal to 1. So a plus b equals to 1. So this problem is comes under communication. So that means we have written the value in terms of actually a comma b. It's clear now? Right. 42nd problem. 42nd problem. 42nd problem. So if you observe this trend of the question paper, which was held in 29th May, this question paper was previous question paper, that is the AP question paper. Just see, the total is actually concept based only. So which of the following collection is not a set? Is not a set, because all collections need not be set, but set is a collection of the elements, well defined objects. The collection of all boys in a class, it's a set. It's a set. So it is not our answer. The collection of even integers, yes, it's a set. It's a well defined. The collection of the most talented writers of India. How could you say the most talented? Is ambiguity. It is not a set. Not a set. Okay. So the third option is the right option. Right. Yes, it is not well defined. Because not well defined. Absolutely, Manikanta. So this is a set, this is a set, but it's not a set, but not well defined. Not well defined. So now, okay, right. Clear? Let us move to 43rd problem. Yes, Narasimhulu, absolutely correct. You are wonderful, wonderful. So now 43rd problem is the matching type problem. Matching type problem, generally we can find this type of questions in JEE mains examination. JEE mains examination, right? Match the following. So match the following. So let us read the question now. Match the following: null set, singleton set, infinite set. So what is the null set? Null set denoted by pi. It has no elements. No elements. Singleton set. Singleton set means it has only one element. So that means actually something one like that. Only one element. Singleton set means only one element. Infinite means it has cardinality is not defined. Cardinality is not defined. Right. So that means let us move by one. Now let us move to this first one. You see, x is a real number. X is a real number means negative infinity to positive infinity. So this is the infinite set. Real numbers are infinity. So infinity means infinity is matched to so set of real numbers. Then x such that x is a whole number and x less than 0. So x less than 0 means actually you will be getting no element. No, x is a whole number and x less than 0. Less than 0 means you have all negative numbers you will be getting. So that means no element is there in whole numbers. So that means it's a null set. It's a null set. So generally singleton set. See, even prime number. Even prime number means only one element, that is 2. This is singleton set. This is singleton set. So that means actually here see, A is mapped to 3. A is mapped to 3. A is mapped to 3. B is mapped to A is mapped to 2. B is mapped to this. Means fourth option is the right option. So 1, 2, 1, 2 and null set. Okay. How many sets are there? Here power set. How to find out power set? Okay, Manikanta. Right. Definitely. 42 has 43 completed. Now let us move to 44th question. 44th question, right. Right. See what is given. Let me write. It's not clearly, so it may not be visible to you. 44th question. A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets, or we can call them as non-overlapping sets. So then we need to find out this one. Disjoint means, here see very clearly, A intersection B is equal to pi. So if you draw the Venn diagram, you will be getting like this. So this is universal set. This is set A. This is set B. So here there is no overlapping. So A intersection B is equal to pi. If A intersection B is equal to pi, then they said to be disjoint sets. So A intersection B is equal to pi. This is the fourth. So fourth option is the right option. So disjoint means two sets are not having common elements, also non-overlapping. They don't have any common element. So that's why obviously A intersection B is equal to pi. Right. 45th question. Let us move to 45th question. 45th question. Right. 45th question. Let me read the question carefully. See, in a class of 60 students. So in a class of 60 students, 45 students. So total students 60. Total 60. 45 students like music. So music 45. 50 students dance. So dance 50 students. 5 students like neither. The number of students in the class like music and dance, both. So neither 5. Neither 5 means, now the, for example, this is say A, this is B. So this will be A union B. Sorry, not A union B. So A union B is equal to, you have say n of A union B. This is n of A, n of B, right? N of A union B is equal to 60 minus 5, that will be 55. So we have the formula. What is the formula? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So using this formula, we can evaluate it. How to evaluate it? Let us substitute. N of A union B is 55 because phi is neither proficient in music, proficient in dance. So that means 55. N of A. So proficient in music is 45. Dance is 50. N of A intersection B, say x, we need to find. Bring x this side. X is equal to, this will be 50 plus 45, 95 and minus 55. So that will be 40. So 40 is both. So that means 40 students are proficient in both music and dance. So that is actually 40. Second option is the right option. Yes, option 2. Option 2. Okay. So let us move to 46th question. 46th question. 46th question. Right, 46th question. Let us move to 46th question. We shall have a discussion on 46th session. Right, very interesting question. This is also. See, obviously it's concept based. If A comma B are two sets and A union B is equal to A intersection B given. This is possible only when both are equal sets. Not equivalently also. Equal sets. They should have the same number of elements and the same elements. So that means This third option is A is equal to B. A is equal to B. So you remember A union B is equal to A intersection B only, then A is equal to B. Right. Next, 47th question. 47th question. 47th question. Alright, 47th question. Which of the following is not a polynomial? So first option is actually root 3x square minus 2 root 3x plus 5. Yes, it's a quadratic polynomial. So it's a polynomial. So first option eliminated. Go to second. 9x square minus 4x plus root 2. Yes, this is also polynomial. Second option eliminated. This is also polynomial. X plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x means this we can write x plus x to the power of minus 1. So here actually the power should not be negative. So polynomial is in the form of ax to the power of n, where n belongs to whole number. N should not belongs to the any negative number, negative integer. So that means it's not a polynomial. Not polynomial. Not polynomial. So fourth option is the right option. This is 3 by x. So 3x to the power of minus 1. Right. 48th question. 48th question. Right. 48th question. Now totally I am going to complete this paper. So I have done in 3 parts. All of you watch the previous parts also. So the degree of the polynomial x plus 1 into x square minus x plus x to the power of 4 minus 1. So very simple. You multiply x with x power 4. So now the degree is equal to here. You will be getting like this. If you multiply highest, you will be getting x to the power of 4 plus 1 5 and dash dash. This can be expressed. Highest power is 5. So degree is 5. So fourth option is the right option. Yes, option 4. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Yes. Next. So let us move to 49th question. Now let us move to 49th question now. Right. Right. So let me read the question. The sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to the product of its zeros. Then the value of k is. So that means if the sum of the zeros of a polynomial is equal to their product. So for example, let us say zeros alpha comma beta. What is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. So my dear students, alpha plus beta is equal to, we have the formula minus b by a, whereas alpha beta is equal to c by a. So both are equal. So that means we can write minus b by a equals to c by a. A cancel, we have negative b is equal to c. But according to this one, what is a? Comparing ax square plus bx plus c, a is equal to k, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3k. So let us substitute the value. So this minus 2 is equal to 3k. So now we need to find out the k value. So k equals to minus 2 upon 3. Absolutely correct, Manikanta. Yes, first option is the right option. Right. Next, last question of this paper. Right. Go through this question. This is the actually figure based question. The number of zeros of the polynomial in the graph shown. So now just check at what points on x-axis, how many, at what points actually the equation of a polynomial cuts x-axis. That we need to find out. How many points you need to check the which cuts x-axis, 1 point, 2 points and 3 points. So that means actually here, because the graph touches at 2 points, so that means actually here, see, this graph touches x-axis at 3 distinct points. So therefore number of zeros is equal to 3, equal to number of point of intersection of the curve and x-axis, that's 3. So answer is 3. So that means obviously the fourth option. So my dear students, total we have completed 50 questions in 3 episodes, first episode, second episode, third episode. My dear students, once again go through all these 50 questions. These 50 questions are very important for IIT Basara examination, even Polytechnic entrance examination, APRJC examination and PGT and TGT examinations also. Thank you, bye bye. Have a nice day.